Recently, a man sent me a DM saying that after their child was born, his wife doesn't enjoy intercourse. Here are some questions I asked him in turn. Do you engage in lots of foreplay before intercourse? Do you ensure your partner is well lubricated before you enter her? And most importantly, are you emotionally connected to each other? If you take care of your partner's emotional needs, she will start responding to you in bed. Here are 5 emotional needs that you should work towards fulfilling. 1. Need to be heard. Actively listening to your partner and validating their feelings makes them feel heard. 2. The need to belong and feel accepted. Your partner needs to feel accepted for who they are, regardless of flaws and imperfections, and feel that you both are a team, a strong unit. Third, the need for safety and trust. Your partner needs to feel comfortable to share what they think and feel without any judgment, without rejection. Fourth, the need to feel, valued and prioritized. Your partner needs to know that they come before other people, other commitments, and other aspects of your life. Fifth, the need to feel desired. Your partner needs to feel a level of intimacy with you. This intimacy can be sexual or emotional or even intellectual or spiritual. And so your wife will be able to enjoy sex with you when she feels connected to you emotionally and not just in bed.